Hello guys, welcome back to my channel here on Ban Hustle. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step video showing you some of the mini bots that people have been overlooking. Okay, so ever since hamster combat started to grow, people have been overlooking other mini bots that have a potential, and many of these bots started out with the Northman. Okay, and people have been overlooking some of these mini bots since. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to take you through one of my personal recommendation. Okay, essentially it has a good background. Okay, and it has a good potential to give you the profitable airdrop. So without wasting my time, let me take you to this bot and show you how it works. Okay, so before you jump on this bot, make sure you have made your own personal investigation, background, Twitter checks, everything about this thing before you jump into it. Okay, so today's bot that we are going to be checking is PocketFi. So here is it. As you can see right here, as you can see right here, it has over 3 million monthly users. Okay, it's very huge. Okay, so guys, this is very simple. What you have to do is just click on mining as any of the other mini bots. Okay, so you just have to wait for it to load. So as you can see, it has a very friendly interface. Everything is self-explanatory. So here is the home. It has an inbuilt wallet that you can deposit your money, do some swaps and other things. Okay, so I tried depositing $1 to this account, and as you can see, it's arrived safely. Okay, so let's go right here. Let me show you around. So here you got task. Here is a daily boost that you can log in. As you can see, day one is you receive one switch. Switch is the token you're going to be receiving as the airdrop. Okay, so as you can see, on day one you're going to be receiving one, all up to day 10, which you're going to be receiving 55 switch. So when you came here, there are other tasks that you can do, and they all have their proportional amount of switch that you can receive after completing the task. Okay, so you can buy some 500 MRDN on turn to receive 50 switch. This is a one-time deal. Okay, and you can also deposit 10 punk into your wallet, which means you're not going to be losing your money. You're only going to be spending the gas fee. Okay, and you're going to be earning 0.7 switch per every hour. Okay, and there are a couple of other tasks here that you can do in order to increase your mining. And if you don't have the money, I will advise you not to spend money on this. But this is something we are all trying out. Okay, it's an airdrop. Okay, so I'm not advising you to invest your money here. If you're investing, make sure it's not a financial advice. You're doing it at your own risk. Okay, so here's the main thing, the mining interface. So as you can see, I have about 2,000 switch. Okay, and I'm earning 1.12 per every hour. And the most interesting thing about this is, as you can see down here, it says it's going to be burn in 5 hours 53 minutes, which means after 5 hours 53 minutes, and I haven't opened this up to claim my rewards, it will start to burn. Okay, it will burn till it gets to 0, and it will start burning at the rate of the same rate that it is mining, which means it's going to burn 1.12 every hour until it burns to 0. Then it will start to regenerate. Okay, until it gets to that level again, then it will start burning. So you have to log in every 6 hours in order to claim your rewards. Okay, and they also have the invitation section here where you can invite your friend. It says you can invite a friend, and they are going to give you 18 switch per friend that you invite. And if you have a premium Telegram account, you're going to be receiving 30 switch per friend that you invite. Okay, and as you can see, I've only invited 2 friends, and this friend here has been doing a lot of tasks, so I've been earning a lot from him. Okay, so you can also check out here a lot about this. Let me click on it and show it to you. Here is the start, anything about the application. Okay, it's actually their website that I'm currently going, and I will also show you their Twitter page for you to see that this mini bot has a very good potential, and it also has a very large amount of community. And as you can see, current switch emission, it grew from, as you can see right here, current user count, it grew from 0 to 6 million. Okay, guys, this is very huge. Okay, and as you can see right here, it says the mine is going to end on the fourth quarter of 2024, which means it's around the last 3 months of this year, which is going to be somewhere October, November, December. Okay, so it's already near. So guys, don't sleep on this. Make sure you join as soon as possible. As you can see, here is the roadmap, the market research and testing, Telegram mini app development. So we are heading to the third quarter. So here is the launch and discovery section with third-party DeFi apps, and here's the migrating to non-custodial wallet, where the launching of DAO is going to start. Okay, then everything will start. Okay, guys, so don't sleep on this. Make sure you jump on this as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go to the Twitter page and let me show you. You can check it out. So guys, a lot of patience is loading. Yeah, guys, as you can see here, they have about 480,000 followers on Twitter, which is very huge, guys. So you can decide to jump on this or sleep on it, guys. It's your choice. Okay, so that's that for this video. Okay, so for the meantime, peace. I'm out.